आशुतोष उत्तरा होगा, हमने बहुत वेट करा है. So I would like to read some lines for him as well. Ashutosh has been with us for 3 years or more? 3 years. Okay. Ashutosh, what? In fact, I did not ask the other children from the fighters batch who have come up stage by now. What were your ranks in the initial B tests in Bakliwal tutorials when you were in 11th standard, 3 years back?
My rank in first B test was 328 and in third B test it fell to all-time low, it was 442.
Were there these many students in BT? There were.
I was 10th last, I guess.
Guys, for all those who believe that since they are not doing well in the B test, there is no hope, here is Ashutosh for you, who has cleared the JEE Advanced exam with an All India rank of 1406 this year. And he was... And as far as I know, I think similar was the situation. Maybe not so worse, sorry. Similar was the situation with Rutuja also. So they have come a long way from 422 in the B test at Bakliwal tutorials to a All India rank of 1406 in the coveted JEE Advanced exam. Amazing, amazing. So, this religious man, a true warrior, as you must have already understood, I think did not do well in boards also last year. And this year, apart from the JEE preparation, he also wrote the board exams again. And did well in all exams, got 231 in JEE mains. And I don't know what was his bit set score. So you didn't write bit set again. So let's listen something from Ashutosh.
First of all, I would like to thank my family, not just my parents but everyone, because we are a joint family and we always stay together. Everyone supported me, and especially my parents. I think no child in the world has any words to thank their parents what they have done for them. Also my sister helped me a lot, and you know, an interesting thing that mostly we get stressed during our preparation and all, and Weber sir advises to do some motivation, some meditation and all, and fill in some motivation. What I used to use as stress buster was that I used to rest my head on my mom's or dad's lap, and then they used to just roll over the palm over my head, and it used to make me so relaxed and so calm, I can't even explain that. Then, of course, there are great teachers at BT. They have helped me throughout the year, throughout the 3 years, especially during the last 1 year. And they are so helping that even if you call them at 12 at midnight to ask some doubt or something, they immediately, if they pick up, they'll answer you. Or if they see the missed call, they'll call you back when they see it. Even at 1 o'clock, if they see it, they'll call you back. So they are so very supportive. And they are ready to give you everything they've got. And I think that they see no difference between their own children and us. And then of course, I've got my friends. They are very, very supportive and they filled this journey of 1 year with a lot of fun and excitement. Without them, it would be all so boring. Also, they have taught me so many things, made me a completely different man, and they always kept me motivated. Towards the end, especially, I was a bit casual and I didn't take things too seriously. But then they told me and they again brought me into the group, into that, they gave me the momentum. Also, I would like to thank my parents for this at the end. And they have helped me so much. Means, since I used to study at 305, and many times when you are studying for a long time, then you think like it's okay, now I'll just go home or something. So someone else is studying something, like someone is studying inorganic, he'll start asking you questions, and suddenly you get involved into it and you don't even realize and you study for much longer. So that's really very helpful. And now I would like to share some of my experiences that I learned in the last 3 years or especially in the last 1 year. First of all, I think that to repeat was a very good one. As soon as I saw my JEE advanced rank, I did not even think for 2 minutes. I immediately decided I want to repeat, and everyone in my family, my parents immediately agreed, and everyone supported me like very well. And then I would again like to tell you, as my friends already said, here in BT we consider ourselves as family, and I would also like to congratulate you for joining BT and being part of this wonderful family. They always care for each other, and it's just amazing to be here. Then I learned a lot about fighter spirit. Vaibhav sir talks about this a lot, and it's very inspiring. That fighter spirit is that you never give up. And there is this one amazing poem which I love. It's called The Race, and the poet is Delbert Groberg. So I would like to recite a few lines. For all of this life is like that race, with ups and downs and all. And all you have to do to win is rise each time you fall. So it really motivates me, and it's amazing. And I also used to keep myself telling that towards the end, a lot of my friends were scoring a lot better than me, and I don't know, I was a bit in dilemma whether I'm losing hope or what, but I said this to myself that it doesn't matter if I fall, if I get wrong or not get good marks in this test. I have to just perform good once, and that would be enough. So that always kept me through, and then I think you should, now this is one important thing that I learned especially in the fighters batch, that there's a difference between knowing something and understanding something. Like we know something if we read it, but to apply it properly, which JEE wants, you need to understand it very nicely, and that only happens if you have the will to study from inside. Someone can't force you to study, and under that kind of circumstances, you can't understand those things. You tend to grab knowledge, but you don't understand it. So what BT does, what all the teachers here do, that they make you feel that you have to study from inside. They tell you all the brighter side and all, and they make you study yourself. They don't force you to study, but they create that will in you to study, and that helps a lot to understand, and that's why it's very helpful. When you understand something, you can also कि भिड़ाने की जो skill है वो भी बढ़ती है, क्योंकि if you don't understand तुम भिड़ा ही नहीं सकते हो. And in the end, I would like if you all join me to congratulate everyone for the efforts they've made, not just for the results.
Thanks a lot, Ashutosh. So we had 6 students from the fighters batch in top 2000. Can we have a big round of applause for fighters and the fighter spirit, yaar? Come on. इसने एक पोएम बोली, वो एकदम उस अपनी हिंदी कविता जैसी थी. जिंदगी है तो ख्वाब है, ख्वाब है तो मंजिलें हैं, मंजिलें हैं तो रास्ते हैं, रास्ते हैं तो मुश्किलें हैं, मुश्किलें हैं तो हौसला है, हौसला है तो विश्वास है. क्योंकि
फाइटर कभी नहीं हारते हैं,
फाइटर हमेशा जीतता है सारा. कम ऑन. और यार इसमें एक बात बोली कि अंदर से आना चाहिए. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन नोइंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग. इस पे एक बहुत अच्छा छोटा सा किस्सा है. एक आदमी जाता है एक बाबा के पास, बहुत पहुंचे हुए, जो उनके प्रवचन सुनने लाखों लोग आते हैं. तो उनसे पूछता है कि आपको क्या लगता है, ये लोग आपकी बातें सुनने आते हैं, इनके जीवन में तो कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं, मतलब बिग डील. तो बाबा उसको बोलता है, बोले बैठ सामने, टेबल के सामने बैठाता है उसे, दारू की बोतल लाता है, बोले खोल. कहता है इसको मुंह में लेने का, दारू को थोड़ा सा, लेकिन ऐसे गार्गल टाइप करने का और स्पिट कर देने का, अंदर नहीं लेना. तो ऐसा 3 करता है. कहता है वापस कर. फिर वो करता है, बोले वापस कर. ऐसे 3-4 बार उसे करवाता है बाबा. फिर उसे पूछता है, बोले चढ़ी क्या? तो बोलता है नहीं. बोले सेम इज द केस विद मोस्ट ऑफ दीज पीपल. ये आते हैं या सुनते हैं, लेकिन अंदर तक उनको अफेक्ट नहीं करती बात. which only does when we think on things by ourselves. No teacher in the world can do it. You have to reflect on the questions, introspect, and then only you will have deeper understanding. So thanks a lot, Ashutosh. Keep rocking. Have a wonderful future ahead. Can we have...
A memento, a scientific calculator and a cash prize of rupees 5,000.
I'll be taking IIT Kanpur Maths and Computing.